For the last several years, we've had the ATAM 2 as a great part of the SATA line. It mounts to any of our spray guns, from the mini jets to the 4000s, 5000s, our primer guns, everything. But when they introduced the SATAjet 5000B Phaser Edition, the black look of this spray gun definitely required a black ATAM 2. We did a pre-release of it at SEMA 2017, but now we're excited to have it fully in our line. The black ATAM 2 looks great on the guns, gives you the exact pressure that you need down to a half PSI tolerance. The gauge is great because it easily slides on and off of the docks that are on the gun, so now you just need one digital gauge per planer and just add docks for each of your spray guns, so it's definitely a cost savings doing it that way. Also, this black version of the ATAM 2 looks great on all of our other spray guns, like the 1500B, which is blue with black controls. It looks great on the now matte finished mini jets. It looks great on the matte finish 5000B with the pearlitized coating. So go ahead, get yourself a black ATAM 2 today.